This is the DIY Garden Minute by Spoken Garden, teaching you tips and tricks for your garden in minutes. Find more quick topics at spokengarden.com and click on that Listen tab. Today I want to tell you 10 June gardening tasks to help you supercharge your garden for the rest of the growing season. Task number 1, side dress your plants with dark, rich compost or a well-matured manure to keep soil fertility high and your plants thriving. Task number 2, June is a perfect month to plant squash, tomatoes, beans, and many other plants that will thrive in the warmer soils or are considered warmer season crops. So get those crops planted soon. Task number 3, plant companion plants like marigolds to repel certain pests or nasturtiums to act as insect sinks, quote unquote, to keep pests away from other plants. Task number 4, keep an eye out for any pests that show up. Make sure to keep neem oil at the ready to use when and where necessary. Task number 5, if you haven't already, set up your automatic drip system or other kind of irrigation system so your plants have consistent watering and you lessen any chance of heat or water stress, which can equate to more robust plants with continual flowering. Task number 6, start setting out stakes for different flowers and vegetable plants. Setting them up early can help with maintaining plant health and overall vigor and can lessen the chance that they fall over or break any stems as they develop their flowers and crops to become more heavy. Task number 7, mulch can be done any time of year really, and June is a good time of year to lay down even 1 to 2 inches to help plants retain moisture, insulate those plant roots, and keep some weeds at bay. A thicker layer of 2 to 4 inches is preferable. Task number 8, optimize your planting space before the summer season hits by utilizing hanging baskets, wall hangers, and vertical planters. You can create a whole garden oasis in the tiniest of spaces with these and other kinds of small space plantings. Setting these up and planting now will make sure you take advantage of growing time, and these plants will mature on a regular schedule than if you planted them later this summer. Task number 9, fertilize. Yes, start putting all your plants on some kind of fertilizing schedule, especially any plants that are growing in, quote, potting soil, as this soil, a soilless medium, is usually void of most nutrients, and without fertilizer, your plants will be starving. Use a liquid fertilizer every week or two, or if you are using a time-release fertilizer, apply it and follow the directions for the next application in a month or longer. And lastly, task number 10, grab your favorite adult beverage and make time to sit and enjoy all your hard garden work. This is a must because being on the go all the time just isn't healthy. Slow down, have a seat and a drink, even if it's just water, and take in the beauty and fun you have created. There might be other June gardening tasks that I didn't mention, and if you can think of any, definitely let us know. Tag us on Instagram, Facebook, or on X. We'd love to follow your garden journey. If you are looking for any warm season vegetable crops to grow in your garden, definitely check out EdenBrothers.com for their wide seed selection of beans, squash, and much more. If you want to learn more about a specific garden topic, you can always go to SpokenGarden.com and type your garden topic in the search bar at the top of the page. Also, if you're looking for any deals on garden supplies, seeds, bulbs, or containers, head over to our Spoken Garden Deals page to save money on your next garden online purchase at SpokenGarden.com/deals. Thank you for listening. You can find other quick tip garden topics on our podcast page at SpokenGarden.com and click on the Listen tab at the top of the page. And make sure to subscribe to this podcast so you don't miss future quick garden episodes. We'll see you in the garden.